Pioneer air installation. One of the things, the analogy we teach our technicians is that we are putting boxes together. The analogy of a car. If you think of it this way, one of the analogies that we use here when we train our technicians is that how would you feel if you went and bought a new car, right? And then when you took delivery of the car, instead of getting a brand new car that you expected, you received it in boxes, right? Who do you think is responsible for the comfort, the efficiency, the aesthetics, the look and the feel of that car? Who do you think is responsible for? The answer to that is the installation company, or the company that put it together. Air conditioning is the same. Air conditioning components come in pieces where we, as technicians, as experts in our field, we have to put it together. One of the things that we do is we do training, we do expectations, and we do quality control to make sure that our installation team and the promises maker deliver. With us, installation is as important as anything, right, that you do. Because remember, when we make a promise, our job is to make sure that one, we keep the promise, and two, we inspect the promise, right? With us, our installations, just like anything else, permits in the city are the law. So it is not just necessary, right, but it's also required and demanded. It is part of code. So when we pull a permit, so an inspection can occur, right? If you have not done your due diligence and make sure that all your pieces are put together, right, that inspector is going to come in and is going to fail you. So I would say our installation processes are designed so that we can make sure that we deliver on the promises, and then we have a third party such as the city, the county, right, to come in and inspect what exactly you would expect from us.